Manufacturers, are you tired of waiting for leads to come to you? What if I told you that with a simple strategy, you could turn idle machinery into steady profits? Stick around, I'm breaking down a lead generation tactic that's working right now for small manufacturers. I will show you how to select targeted lead in Apollo.io. Please stay tuned. A friend of mine, a custom machinery manufacturer, was struggling to find leads. Instead of waiting, he built a targeted list in Apollo.io, focusing on decision makers like plant managers and engineers within 200 miles. But here's where it gets powerful. He didn't just cold call, he shared quick, expert-driven videos on LinkedIn and emails, showing his machining capabilities. That positioned him as the go-to expert, and soon, leads started coming to him. Solving the idle machinery problem. If you've got idle machines, you're bleeding money. But targeted lead generation fixes that. Instead of waiting, you can proactively reach companies that need your capabilities, whether that's specialized fabrication or high-volume production. One campaign I worked on pinpointed mid-sized companies with unpredictable demand. By becoming their go-to partner, we turned downtime into a steady revenue stream. Building your targeted list. Here's the key: not all leads are equal. The best leads come from understanding your core customers. Ask, who are they? What industries? What challenges do they face? If you're machining high-capacity auto parts, you need suppliers in auto-heavy regions. If you specialize in custom fabrication, focus on niche manufacturers with small batch needs. Fewer, better leads equals more business. So, are you ready to stop waiting and start winning with lead generation? If you want to learn exactly how to build a list and start getting high-quality leads, drop a comment or check out the link below. Let's turn your idle time into prime time. This version keeps the energy high, shortens the script, and adds clear, compelling calls to action. My affiliate link for Apollo is below. You can try a free version, and please subscribe to Lead Strategy Simplified if you like this video.
Tim Little, thank you for watching my video. Just wanted to give you a quick overview of Apollo, and yes, it is an affiliate program that I do get paid for, but it has a really great free version that you could use just to kind of test the waters. And I've worked quite a bit with list selection for manufacturers and different types of manufacturers in Michigan. So feel pretty comfortable with list selections, with scripts, with what we would do is basically try to find the decision maker, usually be a plant manager or someone in purchasing. And we just wanted to kind of go over that real quickly with you and let you know that this is the free version. Get the free version, but with the paid version you can get more robust. This would be what the selects look like. So you'd get into say you want to purchase some lists, or if you want to just use the free version of lists, what you can do is you can just get into companies, and right here, and these are the companies right here that you can select. And then you want to get into next would be the a company location, or you want to get into the location, and this could be like a state, or it could be several states that you, or it could be a city or zip codes that you can select, or you can do the entire United States if you'd like, and just put in the United States in the selection, put in North America or what have you. What I did is I did a select. I was doing a list of boring mills in Michigan. So, and location would be Michigan, of course. The number of employees. This is nice. What this tells you is I want to select companies that have 21 to 500 employees, and they do 1.2 million to 140 million. The reason for that is you want to be able to talk with a plant manager or someone purchasing directly with titles where you don't get into the voicemail hell and that type of thing. It's usually a smaller company. It's easy to leave a voicemail or possibly email information to a plant manager or someone in purchasing if you are able to capture their interest. So so next would be, what you can do is you can put in industrial classifications SIC codes. So there's a specific SIC code for boring mills, and you can just look that up online. And you would just type that in there, and for that service you'd have to pay extra, so that wouldn't be in the free version, but just let you know that you're able to do that. And then what you can do is you can also do sequences, which would be just, you could do a voicemail, and then you can do an email, and then follow up with a voicemail. You can do a sequence of emails. You can have AI kind of help you in creating the emails. You can also do emails and calls. And so those are really pretty nice features that you can do. And what you can do is you can just basically do a script. So what you want to do is you want to say, hello, my name is Tim, and I'm with the Boring Mill Company, and we would like to maybe talk with someone purchasing, or maybe your plant manager, in regards to the outsourcing of fabrication types of projects, if you're open to that. And usually that would be your qualification, and they'll either say you're not able to do that, or they would put you through to either someone purchasing or plant manager, and it's more than likely you'd probably get their voicemail. So you just use a compelling voicemail, and you would go ahead and do a script like that, and then you can kind of follow up with an email. And then in the email, what you would have is background information on the type of equipment. Your equipment listing could be like in a PDF format, and then kind of background on your company. You can even have AI create that for you if you don't already have that, and you would just send it in a PDF. You could also do a video presentation with links in your email. So thanks for watching.